from the Gullet Baker book. So chocolate crackles is very nice, and the ingredients you need for this recipe is you'll need 3 to 4 cups of rice bubbles. You will also need 200 grams of chocolate with 180 grams of cocoa. With the chocolate and cocoa, you should be mixing it, melting them over the stove or in the microwave, and mixing it so it can look like this. So it's all nice and smooth and drippy. But your first step is you need to get a tray of 12 cupcake holders, and you need to put little patty cases in them. So these are for your chocolate crackers. Now before I go on, you should always do up your hair so you don't get any hair in your recipe. You should also be covering your clothes with an apron, and you should wash your hands before every recipe you do. Now let's continue. The second step is to melt your cocoa and your chocolate. I've already done this, but if you don't know how to, you just put the chocolate in and the cocoa in, and you just put it in the microwave until it all melts together. And you should have it. Now here's a tip before you mix it. If you like your chocolate crackers extra crunchy, I would say leave it to cool down for a bit so you can get the extra crunchiness. If you like yours soggy, like soft, you can put it in while it's warm or hot. But since I like mine crunchy, I'm going to make it crunchy. So mine's still cooling down, but you also need a wooden spoon to mix it. You don't want to mix it with your hands. So you just still need to let it cool down. Now that my chocolate and cocoa has cooled down, I'm now going to put it in the rice bubbles bowl, which has 3 to 4 cups. Just blend that a bit. And now time for the magic. Let's tip this in. Look at this yummy recipe. And now we just mix it. Oops, I'm making a big mess. Gently. And make sure you mix your pencil, and make sure you get all the chocolate in your rice bubbles. So it's all nice and chocolatey. And once you have finished your recipe, make sure you clean up for your parents. I know my mum gets angry when I make a big mess and don't clean it up. So be a good daughter. Clean up the mess. Now, this is about mix if you want to have a closer look. Yum. Smells so good. So now that it's all mixed, I'm going to put it in my cupcake case. Now you need a spoon, a metal spoon, or plastic spoon, so you can put your chocolate crackers in the patty cases. So you just grab a big spoonful and fill it into the top. Like this. Now that your chocolate crackers are ready, which they should be hot, now time to eat them. Whoa, look at that. All the chocolate on the bottom. Yum. So stuff, become a member of Gerlit. Visit the website www.gerlit.com.au for your chance to become a member. Thanks for watching.